If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos photographers. As last week, the challenge was to write out the details about our hero's journey and what we've experienced and gone through, and identifying what part of our experiences fit into what part of that hero's story framework. Now, I want to encourage you to write out your story. As you write out your story, I've found it by experience helping me be able to craft the hero story for others. And that's part of the whole experience of this I guess multi-stage challenge, is to write out the things that you've experienced, the guardians, the helpers, the transformation, the aid, whether natural or supernatural to you, and the process of your hero's journey. As you identify these parts and pieces, now you'll have a picture from that experience to be able to fit into the framework of writing out your story. Make it compelling, make it something, even if it's just short, make it something that draws somebody in, that helps them to understand where you've come from. Give them something that by the end, and they see your transformation and return through atonement, or atonement, that they want to know more. Maybe it'll draw them in saying, your story was so compelling and so much like mine, I thought you would be the best person to do images for me. I don't know, but you see what I'm saying? Create that story of yourself and write out the process from your call to adventure all the way through all of these different parts and pieces and aspect. Maybe it doesn't even have to be factual. Maybe it's something that you make up, and your character, who you are, is just the hero of the story. But as you learn to fashion these thoughts, these parts and principles into a story, and being able to fit that into an image, your photography, like mine, is gonna be so much improved and different. And I tell you, when I started learning some of these principles just without having studied the story writing framework, my images began to grow, and just being able to, what's the word I'm looking for, add the elements that tell the story, that carry on a narrative and give people pause, and take them back through their memories of what they experienced and what they learned and grew from, is so helpful and so fantastic to be able to see these people's interest. Thank you so much for watching and giving us a thumbs up. Let us know down in the comments what this does for you in this challenge this week, and how writing out your story is giving you so many ideas or benefits in being able to craft your story, or the story of what you're imaging in photography. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to add you to our Photos family by subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.